Thank you very much, Mr. Romel. So we're happy and to see you all.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Lourdes Soriano. And now, I am going to introduce my fifth grade students from Community School of Excellence. So if we have college students from the Philippines, from DABSU, I have my dynamic, active, okay, students from CSE or Community School of Excellence. So I want to hear from, okay, Jaden, can you please open your cam and then be seen? Please introduce yourself. Just say your full name and then your grade level. Jaden Vu.
Hi, my name is Jaden Vu, and I am in 5th grade from CSC.
Thank you, Jaden. Actually, Jaden is, yes, he is in 5th grade and he is really busy in dancing. He's a part of the Hmong dance community in our school. So right after his classes, he is really required to join the practice for Hmong dance. So I think yesterday, did you perform, Jaden? Oh, you did perform for the concert. So last night we had our mini concert in our school, and it is actually a celebration of the 50th anniversary of the Hmong people in the United States. So there were some a series of performances, singing, dancing, and some band performances. Okay, after Jaden Wu, we have Chase Tao. Chase Tao, please say something. Introduce your name, your grade level. Okay, Chase, thank you.
My name is Chase Tao, and I'm in grade 5.
Yes, Chase Tao is in 5th grade, and he is, of course, one of our active students in physical education. He was chosen to be part of this momentous event. It's because of his active participation in physical education and his positive attribute and positive attitude every time he attends classes in PE. So we also have Jaden Lore. Where is Jaden Lore? Open your cam, Jaden. I think Jaden Lore is missing. Where is Jaden? All right, we will just go back to Jaden Lore later. Okay, next, one of my active students also, of course, we have Gona Yang. Gona, please open your cam and then be recognized. Say something about yourself.
Hi, my name is Gona, and I'm from 6th grade.
Yes. So Gona, among the girls in my 5th grade, she's so active in class, be it in sports, be it in dance, and any other extracurricular activities. She was chosen to partake or to be part of this activity because of her positive attitude also in attending and sharing his knowledge in physical education. So we also have Surika. Surika, please open your cam and then say something about yourself.
Hi, my name is Surika Mua, and I'm in 5th grade.
Yes, so Surika is also in 5th grade. So just like the others, she is so active in physical education, and I know that she's active because she wants to get a high grade, and that is one of our purpose in physical education, to get high grades and be able to continue their studies in college. How about Yinhua Yang? Yinhua, please say something about yourself. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Yunho Yang, and I'm in 5th grade.
Yes, so that is Yinhua Yang. Yinhua is very active in sports, just like, oh, he's very good in soccer. He's also good in, I think he's also good in basketball, Yinhua, because next week, 1 week from now, we're going to start playing basketball too. But he's also very good in fitness and other related activities. So that is Yinhua Yang. So who else? Where are my other students? Did I forget anyone from my students here? So Gona, Chase Tao, Yinhua. I think Maiku is trying to join us now. Is Michael now here? Before we move on to our participants in the Philippines. All right, thank you so much. And now we are going to introduce our participants from the Philippines, from DABSU. So please, Ma'am Lou, you have the floor, please. Thank you.
Okay. So I have 6 students here from the Philippines. As I've mentioned earlier, they are fourth-year students or college students taking up Bachelor of Physical Education. Actually, they are taking up their last term for their internship, teaching internship here in the Philippines, and they are deployed to the different DepEd schools or junior high school here in the Philippines. So I think we're going to introduce themselves.
Okay.
Let's start with Chastity Campo.
Hello, good morning and good evening. I am Jasly C. Campo, and I am a student teacher, and my program is Bachelor of Physical Education. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Chastity. So next is Gideon Katahan. Gideon. Gideon, we cannot hear you.
Hello?
Yeah.
Am I audible? Okay. So
Yes.
I'm Gideon Katahan, and just like Jasly, I'm also now in my 4th year and currently taking my internship. And I'm also a Bachelor of Physical Education. I'm also part of the Bachelor of Physical Education.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Gideon. And Hyacinth, it's your turn. Hyacinth, we also cannot hear you.
I sent okay sign.
Okay, I think Hyacinth is having a technical problem. We move on to Rowan.
Hello, good morning, good evening to each and every one of you. I am Rowan Lupundaro from the Philippines, of course. I am currently a 4th-year student from the Bachelor of Physical Education also.
Okay, thank you, Rowan. And next is Rosa May.
Audible po, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Good morning and good evening po. Rosemary Emershendra from the Philippines. Just like my classmates, taking up the Bachelor of Physical Education program here in the university.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rosa. Yes, we go back to Hyacinth.
It's Hyacinth time.
Yes.
So hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. I am Hyacinth Baryam from the Philippines, and I am also a 4th-year student now, taking up Bachelor of Physical Education.
Thank you, Hyacinth.
Thank you. And last, we have Shakaina Kaila.
Okay, good morning, good evening. So I'm Shikaina Kaila de la Cruz from the Philippines, of course. Also, 4th-year student taking up the Bachelor of Physical Education. That's
Okay, so thank you very much, Shakaina. So I think Professor Rivera, my students are excited.
All right. Thank you so much, students from the Philippines and students from my school, Community School of Excellence. But before we continue, I would like to say good morning to all the parents who are there in the Philippines and good evening to all the parents here our parents from Community School of Excellence.